Namaste children. This is your AVS class and I'm your Anupam ma'am. We are studying plants around us, and in previous video we have studied about terrestrial plants on that and those plants are plants of hills and plants of plains. Today we will study about plants of hot and wet regions, plants of marshy areas and plants of desert area. Let's see. Students, trees like teak, rubber, and coconut are found in hot and wet regions. Hot and wet region means near beaches, near sea or ocean. These trees are found there. So these generally have a large number of leaves. They shed their leaves gradually, and hence they are called evergreen trees. Ever, which trees are called evergreen trees? The trees that shed their leaves gradually and they appears green throughout the year. Means वो एक ही साथ अपने leaves को shed off नहीं करते. जब if their leaves are not able to perform their function, they turn yellow, they shed them off, but other leaves are still on the trees. So these trees appears green throughout the year. That's why these trees are called evergreen trees. Students, plants like pepper, cotton, rice, and banana also grow in hot and wet regions. And these plants are called plants of hot and wet regions. So name some plants which grow in wet region: teak, rubber, coconut, cotton, rice, banana. Okay. Now let's see other type of plants of marshy areas. What do you mean by marsh? We have already studied in a previous chapter a marshy plant, mangrove plant. Marsh is a very wet and muddy area on land. So mangrove grow in marshy soil. These plants develop special roots for breathing, as their main underground root do not get sufficient oxygen from the soil. So portion of their roots come out of the soil above the water level or take oxygen from the air. So these roots are called breathing roots and they are called aerial roots. We have studied in the chapter of different types of roots. So this is also a type of habitat, means plants of marshy area. Mangrove plant is very good example of plants that grows in marshy areas. Which plant grow in marshy area? Mangrove plant. Very good. And these plant has breathing roots or aerial roots. Okay. Next is plants of desert area. What is desert, children? Students, let's move towards other type of plants, that is plants of desert areas. Can you name the place with very little rainfall? Yes, Rajasthan. It is also called desert. So cactus grows in a desert because it can survive in soil that has very little water, because desert has scarcity of water. So the plants only survive in that area which require less water for their survival. Cactus has a green stem and well developed roots, and they store water in their stem. Therefore, it is soft and fleshy leaves. But cactus doesn't have leaves. Instead of leaves, it has spines. Spines means scate. To avoid water loss, they have spines on their body. So, cactus is a type of plant which grows in desert. Let's see, students. Today we have studied about plants of hot and wet region, and those plants are teak, rubber, coconut. Next, a plant of marshy area, that is mangrove plant, and its special feature is it has breathing roots or aerial roots. Third is plants of desert area. Cactus is a type of plant which grows in desert area which require less water, because in desert it has a scarcity of water there, and instead of leaves, cactus has spines on their body. So this is assignment for today. List some plants found in hot and desert areas and draw and color your favorite plants or trees and mention their function. Thank you. See you in next class.